Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode coming up. First up, Appies with Chappie by the lake. Check it out. Appies with Chappie by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. I got my duck bow. See here how I made my duck bow. That's cooked real nice. Oh, these are nice and fluffy and light. Okay, a little bit of hoisin. And some spring onion. Alright, to go with my duck bow, we need a drink for Appies with Chappie by the lake. This is called a Dr. Sam Key 43. So I got a nice daiquiri glass. We're going to go 1 1/2 ounces of Licor 43. And then I steeped off some decaffeinated green tea, 2 ounces of tea, and then we're going to go 1/2 ounce of sweet and sour. And I have a somewhat disheveled umbrella to go as a garnish. And that is a Dr. Sam Key 43 to go with my duck bow. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappie by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. That's not my bar, that's a lake. Anyways, hit the notification bell. We got episodes every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.